Hello and welcome to this, which is our first Scratch tutorial. Um, thanks for thanks for popping by. Um, in this tutorial today, we are going to have a look at changing our background. So, when you open up Scratch, whether that be on the program itself or if you do it online at www.scratch.mit.edu, you will see just a very old, plain, boring background, which is fine if you like sort of the minimalist look. But today we're going to create our own. Okay, so the first thing you need to know is that to change all of your backgrounds, you will find it in this section here, just next to the sprite section. So to create our own background, we're going to find the paintbrush. Okay, click that. And what we're going to do is let's just create a beach scene. So it's a very sort of user friendly interface, very easy to sort of navigate your way around. If you grew up on paint, then I'm sure you'll be perfectly fine doing this. Okay, so that's our little beach scene. No beach scene is complete without a little sun in the corner. And yeah, lovely. So there we are. There we have it. Let's just get rid of this other backdrop. So by if when once you've created your backdrop, it will take you into here. Let's just get rid of that. All of that will become clear in later tutorials. But there we go. We have created our very own backdrop. Okay, so our cat here is looking forward to having a good time on the beach. What we want to do now is we want to open or upload a background that is already selected in Scratch. So if we go back again to this area here next to the sprite section. So if you go hover over this first icon which says choose backdrop from library. Okay. When you click on that, there will be loads of pre-selected images for you to work with, which is really cool. So let's go for the moon. Everyone loves the moon. The moon. Sorry, never mind. Okay, right. What is really cool as well is that actually you'll see that the paint sort of interface is still here, which is really cool because you can actually draw onto the backdrop that you've just uploaded. So let's go in here. Let's turn the line width down a little bit, and let's put in some stars. There we go. That's nice. And you'll notice if you look over to your left that these stars will start appearing in your project, which is pretty cool. Let's just do that for a little bit. And obviously you can do what you want here, but I always quite like to do like a little earth that you can see. I don't know, something like that. But yeah, there we go. So just a quick recap on how to do both of them. Let's just go to File, New. Okay. So when you open it, it will have just a very white plain background. But let's change that, shall we? Right. So over here to your left of your sprite section here, you're looking for your backdrop here. Okay. Click the paintbrush, and that will bring you into a paint section. Let's go for the beach again. Nice and easy choice. Lovely jubbly. There we go. We have created our own backdrop, and to upload a backdrop from scratch, again to the left of your sprites, look for the first icon that says choose backdrop from library. Oh, I've forgotten a stage. Let me go back. Let's go to backdrops. Let's get rid of this one. All will become clear. Go to this one here, and you can select whichever one you want. Let's go for a desert. There we go. That's quite nice. And again, you can change stuff in here as well. So my drawing is really terrible, so I apologise for this. Yes, let's make our line width a bit larger. I don't know, let's draw a nice little snake on our desert floor. It's a pretty big snake. Ooh. There we go. Fab. So in this tutorial we've learned how to upload a backdrop from scratch and also how to draw our own. So if we go back to backdrops, this is the one we drew before, and this is the one we uploaded. Another really cool thing about Scratch is that if you've got any really cool backgrounds on your computer, you can actually upload them on to Scratch. So if you just click the upload backdrop from file, and also if you're feeling very, very creative, you can also new backdrop from camera. So if your computer or laptop has a webcam or has a camera connected, then you can click that and create a picture and then upload it into Scratch, which is really cool. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial. Next tutorial we'll have a look at changing this little fella called a sprite.